Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to combine a table. On your table layout, let's say for example, tables 10 and 11, they wanted to slide the tables together and just have one table for a large party. What you would do, we'll just slide 10 up into 11. So you press and hold your finger on 10, and then you get two options here. You get new ticket or you get combined tables. You choose combined tables, all the tables that are available start wiggling, and then you can choose what table you want to slide into. So then I'm going to press my finger on 10 so I can pick it up, and then I'm going to slide it into 11 here. So now if you notice, it kind of grays out 10 because now it's combined in with 11. Then you can just start your ticket 11 here, start ringing in items, and it'll all be under 11. Now if you want to undo that, I don't think you can do it with items available. Yeah, you can. So you can uncombine and free up the table even if you have items assigned to it. So it says right now it's combined with table 11. Let's uncombine. So now that frees up 10, but it keeps the items on 11. There you go. All right, well, that's how you combine and uncombine a table. That's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.